I wanted to show you something of why I have this set up the way I do. I'm hoping, a few minutes ago, that pond right there was full of birds. And, of course, when I opened the window, it kind of scared them off. I don't know if you can see them in the distance or not. I'm hoping they come back in. It was all getting a nice bath, but I don't know, because I opened the window, it kind of scared them off. But it's like this little, of course my fan's really noisy in the back. And you can hear the birds, but I was hoping that they would have stayed. But yeah, they were just having a good old time in the water. Because the water, even though it's hot here, the water stays fairly cool because it goes through the shade. And this part never sees really the sun. I don't know if you've seen them all. They just like flew up. Now they're at the front. Of course, I can't get to the front, but you can sure hear them though. Oh, dang, I was hoping that I could show you a lot of hummingbirds, and they're out at that bush out there. That's where they're all sitting. You can see them going behind my old truck. But I was hoping that they would come back. No, they're just sitting there. But yeah, I scared them when I opened a window. Oh, there they are. They're coming in. I was hoping that they would all come back. Yeah. Fishes are hiding in the shade. That's what it looks like from the backside. And you can hear the birds. I just think it's the coolest sound. Well, those are doves. You can hear doves. Hopefully they'll come back. Oh, they're getting braver. Hopefully they'll come back. I see them up there by the gate. They were out there. They're waiting. They see me in the window. Yeah, they're just all waiting. Oh, well, I was hoping I could show you the little birdies. Oh, there was a bunch of them out here, and I was trying to be careful when I opened the window, and they were still there, and then as soon as they seen the camera, no, they decided to run away.